What's up, y'all? It's Hebru Brantley, visual artist, painter, sculptor, storyteller. Nevermore for me leans into the notion of sort of the greater world building that I've done with Flyboy over the past couple of years. You know, this idea of Black excellence. You know, I think all that people of color have endured, you know, throughout the world and especially within the United States. You know, I think that Nevermore Forevermore is about finding unification, you know, within your own community. To me, this marks a real turning point in some of my work, you know, some of the language and the energy of my work. You know, more than anything right now, man, you know, it's my kids. I'm inspired by the notion to sort of be better for them, letting that guide some of my decision making from a creative standpoint.